Welcome to Rows to Columns, folks. I'll be taking you through how to use the Spreadsheet Maintainer. So this allows you to insert different tabs inside spreadsheets. It's quite nice. So I've already got a sample made up in Google Classroom. So we're going to head into View Instructions, Student Work, and the folder. Now, before I get too far into here, what I should do is make a copy. That way it's inside your drive. You own it. All the scripts work inside yours. And we'll just let that chug away. So here is the drive with all these made. You notice they all have their names, which is kind of nice. If you're going to do this manually and share it, I suggest you put the names into the titles. Just makes life a lot easier. Just waiting for this to pop up. Once that's in there, we know that this is perfectly copied. Take the URL for that link, plunk it in there, and then update data. Now it's going to make you do the allotment first. That's just security. It's a Google thing. We'll just click through. Okay, so everything stays within your account. Nothing comes back to me. I've run it a second time. First time is security. Second time it actually activates the script, and it's going in the background and collecting up all the names. And you'll see in just a few moments this should all fill in. There we go. So there are all the file names. There's 16 of them, and they all have sheet number 1 because I haven't had anything on this. Now, this top row here is for dealing with all the spreadsheets at once. So you want to blast it out to everyone. You want to delete something from everyone, hide from everyone. This is the row that you do it. Otherwise, you could send certain students different ones. Now, when I ran this, everything in here, all these tabs added in that's not spreadsheet listing, will actually become your template. So I've made a little one for September. This is school-based. It'd be great to run budgets, monthly budgets. You can just fire them out. Really quite nice. And I made a little October one. Notice I've got some merged cells here, some images. I'm going to throw in a quick little data validation. And I'm just going to make it into a date. It's valid date. Okay, and then when you click on it, that comes up. Okay. So I want to send this to everyone. Now, sorry, just before I do that, this has sheets 1s. If you try to delete these, it won't work. So if I drop this down and pick sheet 1, it won't work because spreadsheets need 1 sheet at least. So that's been taken care of. Even if you do run it, it won't do anything. Okay, so we're going to take September and give it to all the students. So September, going to add it to all, modify spreadsheets, and then we're going to add it to all. It'll just take a few moments for that to bubble through. Let's take a quick look to see what's going on here. Oh, look, September's already there. This is there, that's there, and it even maintained the data validation. So it takes the tab itself and copies it to each of the pages. Okay, and it'll let you know when it's all finished up. Should be just a few more moments. There's 16 files. So, okay, and once we're done with that, what we can do is just wait for this to finish. We can go back through and now delete sheet number 1 from everyone, or we can just hide it. And there we go. So this does go through and looks at all the spreadsheets and finds out if there's one that's on the same of them. It's going to blink and update everything. It will add it to the list that you can do. And you can see that everyone has sheet 1 and everyone now has September. So this person I'm going to add October to. And this person I'm going to delete September. So you can start doing things like this individually for each of the tabs, especially if you have somebody new added on and you just need to give them some old stuff or need to take away some stuff. That's when you use the second one, some of the spreadsheets. Now we'll go through and take care of these for me. And you can see right away, this person just got October. This person only has sheet 1. Again, you can hide things. You're managing everything from one spreadsheet to all these different types of people. And again, it's copying the exact tab over. So anything you put in here, including formulas and whatever, will be copied over exactly as you see it. So I think this is pretty neat. If you have any questions, folks, you know where to find me.